everyone, and welcome to another CRM Snacktime Snippet. I'm Alex Killian, the video producer here on XTIVIA's marketing team. And today we are joined again by our friend, Mike Ahrenhoersterbaeumer, the Senior Business Development Manager here at XTIVIA. Mike, thanks for joining us again.
Thanks again for having me.
So today we're continuing to talk about CRM and specifically Salesforce. And today our topic is Salesforce Health Cloud. So Mike, what is Salesforce Health Cloud and how can it help our company?
It's a good question, Alex. I'm glad you asked. So if you've been reading up on Salesforce at all as of late, if you're familiar with them, they have really tried to go kind of verticalize the product in a way. And don't get me wrong, they still have your standard Sales Cloud, Customer Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Pardot, all that any type of B2B, B2C type, commercial organization can use, right? But one of the things that they've tried to do is roll out several Salesforce industry verticals. And one of those is Health Cloud, which obviously you hear that. What that is it's Salesforce, but it's out of the box designed to work for organizations in the healthcare space, right? Whether that's a doctor's office, it could be an insurance company, it could be a hospital, it could be an outpatient facility, whatever it might be, right? It's pre-built to allow you to track things like patient information, set up like care coordination so that organizations can collaborate and communicate more efficiently to make their customers or their patients' care a little bit more seamless, right? Maybe an organization dealing with providers and payers and other stakeholders, right? To improve the customer or the patient experience, right? And don't get me wrong, like any other product around Salesforce, there still is configuration that needs to happen to make it perfectly match your needs. But it does allow you to handle a lot of the processes, manage a lot of the data that you need on a day-to-day basis as a healthcare organization, clinical data, I mentioned care plans, social determinants to provide, more personalized healthcare and personalized experiences for your customers, things of that nature. It has a lot of that foundation already built out of the box. So in theory, it should allow you to get up and running quicker. There could be less customization required to do everything that you want to do, right? So it's just designed to get healthcare organizations a lot of the data that they need, right out of the gate. And don't get me wrong, if you were to buy Health Cloud and you go in there and you look at what's all there, it is very overwhelming because it is designed for every type of healthcare organization. So like what we do is we come in, we understand what you're trying to accomplish, what your business needs are, and then shape the Health Cloud experience to be simplified to just utilize what you need, right, from day one, and then continue to grow into if there's other parts that you want to expand. And again, it is Salesforce, right? So while it is shaped for the healthcare industry, it also has still your standard sales capabilities, your marketing capabilities, customer service capabilities if you want to utilize that. It's a very mobile-friendly platform. It has the API capabilities to connect with other internal systems or external systems that you might need to. Still have all that customization capabilities that really make Salesforce sing, right? And we can help with all that. But again, that foundation is already there. And it comes with a lot of that information that as any healthcare organization, they need. And it is important, right? One other big area, last thing, I'll keep it short, is security and compliance, right? That is always a big concern in healthcare organizations. So the Health Cloud, I should say, is actually designed to comply with healthcare industry standards, including HIPAA and high tech and things of that nature. So in healthcare, when you're always worried about patient information, getting out, hacked, all that stuff, it is all HIPAA compliant and more to really help your organization make sure you have the secure platform that you need to properly run all your processes, manage all your patient data, manage that care coordination, manage your provider or payer relationships, and again, just become a one-stop shop to allow you to properly run your healthcare organization, no matter what aspect of healthcare you may be providing or performing. So it's a very powerful tool. Obviously, it's still Salesforce. So everything you're used to and get with Salesforce, it's kind of that on steroids geared towards the healthcare industry. So if that's something that you're interested in learning more about, you have questions on, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about Salesforce Health Cloud, because we have implemented it for several different customers of ours now to great success, and they're seeing a lot of positivity and ROI. So with that, next week, I believe we're going to be covering another Salesforce Industry Cloud. As I mentioned, that's a path that they are continuing to go down, continuing to make more industry verticals. So next week, I believe we'll actually be covering the nonprofit solution with Salesforce, and we look forward to speaking with you next week about that and how we can help and what that is and what that means to a nonprofit organization. Thank you, Alex.
Awesome. Thank you, Mike. As Mike mentioned, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about Health Cloud or any of our other CRM services. And please come back next week for another CRM Snacktime Snippet.